Hi, I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to Mad for Mondays. I've got a great guest here who's going to let you know a little bit about her and how she makes a difference.
Hi, everyone. I'm Nikki Langman, and I'm a speaker and facilitator. And what I do to make a difference is I show up every day with the biggest badass attitude I can, which means that I show up and I ask myself, how big is my brave today? Where's my direction pointing me today? What kind of action am I taking to serve myself and my community? And most importantly, how big is my self-love today? What kind of compassion and generosity am I giving to me today to help me to make the most out of this badass day?
That is amazing. Wonderful. So you make a difference by being badass and helping other people use those tools as well. Is that right?
Absolutely.
Oh, I love it. And how do we get in contact with you if we want to get our badass on?
Oh, please come to any of my social media pages. So Nikki Langman, and that's across Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And that's Nikki Langman.
Wow, I look forward to connecting with you further. And yeah, let's keep making a difference. Bye for now.
And